How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital resume templates on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then we will proceed to showing you a spy tool that is going to help us confirm if this is a winning product or not. And also this spy tool is going to help you in the future when it comes to finding winning products, and also when it comes to spying on shops to find out what are they working on right now, and if those products that they are working on are really making them money or not. Then I'm going to show you how you can create your own product like the one you are about to see using canva.com. So let's get started by typing the name of the product, which is digital resume templates. Then click on search and give it a few seconds to load, and here you will see a lot of examples of this product, and most of the ones that are in the front line are a sponsored products by their sellers. We are going to go down to the ones in here which are not sponsored, because as you can see in here, ad by Etsy seller, another ad by Etsy seller, and here as well. But in this second line, all of them are not ads, they are the popular ones. As you can see in here, we have this one which is popular right now, another one here which is popular, CV template resume word professional. So let's go to this one here, let's check this one. Let's click first on wait to see another one in here, creative resume template word CV template. So we are going to check these ones here, and let's check this one here, which costs $2.35. So here, as you can see, this one is in sale right now, and the sale ends in 5 hours. And here, CV template resume word, it's a digital download, digital file type, 2-zip 1 PDF. And guys, the thing I like most about digital products is that you won't need to worry about the regular problems that the people that are selling physical products have to deal with daily. So for example, you won't have to deal with any returns or refunds, you won't have to deal with shipping, delivering the product in time, and also you won't have to worry or to pay attention to the product to won't run out of stock, because here you'll just upload the product once in your lifetime and you'll always have it in your shop. So here I clicked on add to cart by mistake, or by mistake. So here I'm going to take you to the other platform, which is a spy tool that I talked about in the beginning. So here let's go to the spy tool, let's type Everbee, which is the spy tool we are going to use in order to see if this is really a winning product that deserves to spend our time on creating or not. And also we are going to see how much money this shop is making from this product only, and how much money they have made, or how much sales they have made from the beginning of creating this shop to now. And also we are going to see when did they create this shop. So here let's click on sign up for free, and let's come to this page, and let's take the name of this shop. We will need it when it comes to spying on them. So here I'm trying to copy the name. So here copy, and I'm going to go to Everbee here, give it a few seconds to load, and you will go to the shop analyzer. That's where we are going to drop the name of the shop in order to see every detail about the shop. So here let's go to the shop analyzer and give it a few seconds to load, and here let's drop the name in the search bar. Then we will have every detail that we would like to know about this shop. So here let's drop the name Creative Jam Co, and click on search shop, Here, give it a few seconds to load, then we will be able to see every detail about the shop. So here it's still loading. Still loading here. Give it a few seconds, guys. It takes some time to load the data. And here we are. They have a total of more than 4,000 listings, which means more than 4,000 products on their shop. And here you can see all of their products. The name of this one is CV template resume. Let's see if we are going to find that in here, or we would need to go further down to see the other products that they have. So here they are working only on digital products, and they started way long before. Here, no trace for the CV template. Still looking. We have only the recipe book template, 50-page homeschool. So they are only in the digital products business, not doing or not selling any other product. So here, and here it is, CV template resume word. That's the product we are looking for. It costs $4 in usual. Now right now it's just on sale. And here, if we go down here, you will see the shop's age. 51 months ago this shop was created, and this is the amount of sales that they have made in 41 months. 300,000 and 2022, 322,087 sales in 51 months. So that's impressive. And this product was created or listed 46 months ago. So let's see how much money they have made with it in 46 months of time. Here, based on the reviews, you will be able to guess the amount of sales they made just by taking the number of reviews and timing it, and make it the reviews times 2 will give us the sales, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So that means they have made 860 sales with this product in 46 months, and they are making 18 sales with this product every month. So that this product is worth wasting our time on. So let's go to canva.com to show you how you can create a product like that without starting the product from scratch, and also without paying anyone to create a product like that for you. So here we go to the search, and let's type the name of the product, which is digital resume templates, and we will have a lot of templates that we can make some adjustments to, or make some changes, or add our touch, and then they will be ready to be sold on Etsy. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.